So hello everyone, my name is Dr. Juliet Offiah. I'm a medical doctor with over 13 years clinical experience, and I'm presenting to you right here from Lagos, Nigeria. And today, this is our lunch hour hangout. And what are we talking about basically? We want to show you how to become a virtual entrepreneur. Now, to understand the value of this meeting right now, a lot of us are dealing with a lot of challenges. We've been through a pandemic. People have lost their jobs. People even have lost loved ones through the pandemic. And we really have understood now that it is not enough for you to be physically present to earn a living. Do you understand? You have to find a way that you can create value and still earn wherever you are. I'm presently in my home with my kids. I have 3 children, and I'm sure, it is women would appreciate this kind of opportunity, because who doesn't want to stay at home and take care of your kids in their vital stage of their life? This opportunity can help you do that. And it's not only for women, it's for men. Anybody, can do this. So how do you get started? There are basic things I will be looking at on how you can get started on this path, okay? The first thing I want to let you know is, we talked at the first, I asked the question, what's the most valuable commodity? And people are saying time. Time is the most valuable commodity. Yes, time is very valuable. So the first thing I'm going to let you understand about being a virtual entrepreneur is to be able to manage your time properly. So if you are here and you are ready to dedicate an hour or two in building a career, being a virtual entrepreneur, you are in the right space. So an hour or two is a very good thing. So if you're ready to do that, please type a Y. If you're ready to do that, please type a Y. An hour or two a day to build something that can pay you for the rest of your life. Are you ready to do that? If you're ready to do that, please type a Y. Thank you, Aka. Thank you so much. Thank you. Is it only Aka that is ready to do that? Because I want to tell you the key things that you need so that you move. Thank you, Ngozika. Beautiful. So you're all ready to dedicate, because it's a thing of decision. First, you've decided to be a virtual entrepreneur. The next thing is for you to now pick a time for you to do this. It is so, so important. Thank you, Deborah. So you want to pick a time that you do this. And the best time for you to do this is now. An hour or two. It can be 12 to 2. It can be 11 to 1. Whatever time it is. Thank you, Madam Bakari. You must dedicate a time to doing this. The second thing that you need is a device. Do you have a phone? Do you have a laptop? You need data. The world is digital, is now digital. Do you understand? You must invest money. Don't look at, I know a lot of you are on this call, you're on WhatsApp, you're on Facebook, you are using that data, but is it paying you? Am I communicating? Now, I want to show you how you can use that data to earn. So it's not enough for you to be using it just for connectivity. Connectivity is the reason, these people are making money. Just think about it. Facebook, WhatsApp, which other platform? Name all the social platforms that you guys know. How are these companies making money? They are making money because they are connecting you and I. The power, the value of connectivity is in billions and billions. Instagram, God bless you, is in billions and billions of Twitter, God bless you. Do you understand? So why are people doing all of this? Why are they creating these platforms? YouTube, is it only Aka that is on this platform? He's a millennial, so he knows all the answer. So you understand? So these connecting platforms, this is money. It's not enough for you to just come and be social. We are here, somebody is catching out. I hope you guys know. So I want you to get to the level of consciousness where you need to be cashing out to go. Beautiful. That's new to me, but thank you, Deborah. So you now have the time. You've said that you're going to dedicate your time. You're going to dedicate data. You're going to have a device that works. There's data and there's data. There's the data. There are some people data, they will have to go to the mountain top before they know that kind of data. Go and get the data that will work for you. If you understand what I'm saying. So the other thing that you need to do is now, what am I going to put out there that I want? What value am I going to be adding to people on this platform when I go virtual? TikTok, thank you so much, Ellis. What value am I going to be adding to people out there? And that is the value that I want to share with you. I told you guys, and this thing that I'm telling you, you have to have the data at the time, but you have to have a commodity that I want to share with people. Okay. So what I'm going to share with you is something that has worked for me. I don't know what you're going to choose, but right now we are a group of community. Okay. We're a community of people building together to achieve this residual income that we are talking about. And that is what we want to share with you, because once you have these two things, you've dedicated the time, you have your data, you want to make sure you represent a product that people need. And do you know how you know a good product? A product that is solving a global problem is a good product. From studies, there are two things that keep people up at night: a health challenge and a financial challenge. Am I communicating? Somebody type health challenge and financial challenge. Let me know that you're with me. A health challenge and a financial challenge are the two major concerns that people have. If you can solve any one of these ones, you are a billionaire. Am I communicating? Am I communicating? Yes, a health challenge and a income challenge or financial challenge. Thank you so much. So those are the two things. How can you do that? You're wondering now, how can I solve people's health? How can I solve people's finances? What if I tell you that there is a company that is actually doing that you can leverage on to provide this service to people and then you get paid? Okay, that is exactly what we are sharing here. Okay, so what you want to know is that, is the company, has it been there for some time? You want to make sure it's not a new company that is going to fold up tomorrow. This company have been around for 15 years. Are they in, they want to claim global dominance. They're in 19 countries now and growing. So I'm pretty excited for all the Cameroonians here, because they're about to open in Cameroon and Kenya. They're already they're from the United States, they're in Canada, and in 18 other countries, right? And what do they have? They have something that is solving a global problem, a health challenge and a financial challenge. I started off with this company in 2000, and I became active in 2017. And that has given me my time freedom, okay? And also helps me earn residual income. And we'll show you how we do that. But first of all, how do we solve this challenge? Health-wise, we have something that helps people with their health. Every single human being needs glutathione. Thank you, Ma. Every single human being needs glutathione. Somebody type it. Glutathione is what God made in our body to help us have great health. Glutathione, you make it, you have it, I have it, okay? And the world, thank you so much, Deborah, the world is looking for ways to raise this glutathione in our cells. But from age 20, we all lose our glutathione. Glutathione starts going down because we cannot get enough of it, right? But guess what? There is a company on this earth that has created something that would help human beings to create, thank you so much, Aka, human beings to create their glutathione again. And by virtue of that, we've seen miracles happen, honestly. We fell in love with this science, okay? And it has been helping people globally. What if I told you that this company is the only one in the world allowed to distribute this particular molecule? They are the only one. That means exclusivity. They have exclusive right to distribute what is going to help you stay healthy. Am I communicating? Stay healthy in a very, very healthy way. You're not going to be putting anything synthetic into the human being's body. You are the only one licensed to distribute it. Do you know that the whole world will be looking for you? That is an opportunity, and that is what we have. So what we have discovered, it took our scientists 25 years. It's scientifically proven to raise glutathione in the cells. And when people raise their glutathione, what they feel is better energy, they sleep better, they have better mental focus. People that are having all sorts of aches and pains, they're trying to manage it better. They also have mental clarity. You start becoming more productive. You go to the gym, you attack it like a monster. I've seen people that will recommend this or a molecule to, and they keep coming. They keep getting this product. So it sells itself. So when you have a commodity that sells itself, you have an opportunity to earn income. I've been recommending our products to people all over the world. They have been buying up till today. Even during the pandemic, we even sold the most, because guess what? Now, having great immunity is the world's #1 priority. So people are looking out for you. Am I communicating? So what is the molecule that this company found out? They found out a molecule called ribosine. Ribosine is highly sought after. Somebody type ribosine. And they put it in a patented product that we are the only ones that can distribute it around the world, in which now you have the opportunity to put yourself in that position. We've talked about time, we've talked about you having data and a device. Now, what can you offer that is solving a global problem? We are in a pandemic. Solve the global problem of immunity. Right now, the people that are dying from COVID are the unvaccinated or people that are dealing with health challenges or having low immunity. Be the solution to a global problem. Am I communicating? And we have a product called Cellgevity that these are our flagship products. We have other products, but for the sake of explaining how to be a virtual entrepreneur with this opportunity, we'll stick with Cellgevity, okay? So to validate what we have, I don't want to be the only one speaking. I have somebody on the call with us who is our guest on this call that would let you know that this is actually something that we should not, we should not ignore. He has went as far as sending me pictures of people that he has been, working with. This is somebody that is the MD of a clinic that has been around since 1983. Please, somebody should calculate how many years that clinic has been operating. He has worked with the government, with public health, general medicine, and he has been working privately since 1937 up till now. He has been doing dual practice. He's doing it full time. He has several qualifications with the West African College of Physicians, certificates in family, planning. He has masters in public health. I'm talking about somebody that is well respected in the medical industry. That is 38 years. Thank you. So if somebody like this is coming and telling you that what this company has, found out and is bringing to the public is real, then we need to listen to him. Do you understand? He's the medical director of Biowu Health Center, and it's in Biowu here in Lagos. And we are super excited to have him here. So please, as we bring him up, please let us appreciate him. He's a senior associate with Max International, this company. So the company is called Max International, and he's very, very passionate about what we discover. So please, let's appreciate him, Dr. Bolaji Akerele. He's super, super busy. But when I told him, we need to let people understand the gravity of what we've discovered and what they will be doing when they help another human being to access it, and he accepted to be on this call. So we are super excited to have Dr. Bolaji Akerele here with us with over 38 years of clinical medical experience to validate our discovery. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Juliet, for having me on the program this afternoon.
Wow, I love the way you put the products up in your office so that they will know that, yes, this is what I recommend to people.
It's for real.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, you are somebody that is respected both in the health ministry in Nigeria. You're respected in the medical field. People all over the world, sought you for medical advice as medical professionals and as doctors and patients. Now, what can you tell us about this discovery of Max International? How have your experience been giving it to your patients and advising people to take it?
Thank you. The products that, are in the stable of Max International, they've been, doing a lot of good to patients. And we as medical practitioners, the best way to introduce this product is for us because it deals with cellular health. And as the saying goes, once your cells are healthy, so be your tissues, your organs, all the parts of your body. So you can use this product as a foundation for whatever you are given. Because it does, as we are being told, the Max products, Cellgevity, Max 1, Max 357, and so many others, they are not meant to diagnose a disease, neither are they meant to cure the disease, but they help you to improve patients' conditions. And they get better faster than expected. And after a course of time, after they've been on this product for a while, even the treating physician will be wondering, what has the person been taking extra apart from what he or she has been giving the patient? They will ask, what have you been taking? And that shows that the products are working and they're helping people. And
so go ahead, please.
And from my experience, I found out that every patient that we have given this product, they've improved in a very short time. I am a living example of the product, but it's not about me today because I've talked about myself over and over.
Yes.
But it's about the others because they say share the opportunity share the products, and let people appreciate the products. So I can assure you that these products, they work. They help people get better faster.
Wow.
And I can also like wound healing. When you have wounds that refuse to heal, no matter the basis, whether what has caused it, you can find that rapidly the wound will heal and close up.
Sir, you sent me a picture of a patient's leg, and yes. I wanted to ask permission from the people on the call if they don't mind. I don't know if some people are, because I have to ask them if they are sensitive about, pictures of somebody with a wound or something. Do I have the permission of the house to share the picture? Because Dr. Akerele sent it to me, and I'm like, oh my goodness. So if you guys wouldn't mind, I want to take your permission to share a picture so that you understand how powerful this science is. Please type a Y if you would like us to share this picture. Type a Y if you would like us to go ahead. I need consent. So that, but if you are somebody and you feel you are sensitive, you don't want to see something, you can just, maybe close the screen, turn the phone away, and then when we are done, I will say, oh, we are done. Okay, everybody is comfortable with it. So, sir, as I go ahead and share this picture, please tell us the story behind it and let us know other experiences from your experience, how this has helped your patient. Please go ahead, sir, as I share the picture.
Thank you. With that, I have had course to introduce Max products, especially the flagship one, which is called Cellgevity, to my patients. And
okay.
it's not that I'm exaggerating. There's always been positive response, positive result. I can tell you a bricklayer, a mason, he came to me, he was having severe pains, the kind of job bricklayers do.
Yes.
And he's been to several places. And I looked at him. I said, well, we have drugs we can give you injection, but the injections, painkillers, they will work for some time and go. But if you want something that will help you in your job, you can go for Cellgevity. I explained to him, he said he could not afford a whole pack, no problem, of 4 bottles. So he started coming every week for a bottle, a mason. And because he was on it for good 10 weeks. He didn't miss any week. He has stopped coming to me, but I know he must have, because he was telling me what he was feeling. His job was going smoothly. He wasn't having the kind of pains he was having before he came to me. And he was full of praises for the product. And I said, we thank God, we thank Max International.
Let me share the picture you sent to me. So tell us about this picture. And please, guys, viewers' discretion is advised, okay? So please tell us about this leg. What is going on with this patient, sir?
Well, this is a 67-year-old lady who had diabetes.
My goodness.
Diabetes, when one of the complications of diabetes is they call it foot ulcer. But these are not the this is even leg.
These are infected with cellulitis, with oh my goodness, almost gangrenous. The bottom part is looking dead.
It's not almost, it's gangrenous.
Because the bottom part is gangrenous now.
You can see this greenish color.
Yes.
That's gangrene.
My goodness. This is a leg in medicine that we amputate for sure.
Oh, yes. So she was billed for amputation at last week. And she cried out that she didn't want her leg, cut off. That what can she do? And I came to the picture and said, well, at this point in your life, the only thing I can offer you is a product called Cellgevity.
My goodness.
And if you take it, because I've had other testimonies from other centers, that you are likely to make your leg, get better. So lo and behold, we started her on Cellgevity and we added Max ATP.
Okay.
And within, you can see, this is about the second month of use from this picture. If you can scroll back, we started her, okay, maybe this is first month. Okay, this is the first one. This was November 2019. By December 2019, the second one, please, you look at the improvement on that right leg. And by January 2020, you can see what has happened. And lo and behold, by February 2020, 2020, the whole ulcer had healed. And she now gave a very strong testimony. We didn't even know she had other illnesses apart from the diabetes. It was when she got better and she now started telling us that she had what they call cellulitis, swelling, ready swelling of the legs. She had hypertension. She had what they call lymphedema, and lymphedema is a very chronic illness. She has had that for over 50 years. She has been carrying.
Oh wow, that's why the legs are swollen.
Yes, yes. She's been carrying.
But the wound has obviously healed.
But now she said she was thanking us because it was a group that came together to help her out. That she was grateful to us and grateful to God that we have made her younger. She was like a girl. I can imagine. Wow. Just for 4 months or 3 months. In November 2019 to February 2020. So that was the period we put her on this thing. And then she came out in a much better way. So for sure, I can recommend to all medical practitioners.
That is a very difficult case. And I am, as you guys can see, that there is no way that you can take that leg anywhere and they will not, that leg will not be amputated. Absolutely no way. There's no way. So we are still, Mr. Bolaji, are you there?
I'm with you.
Hear. Okay, fantastic. So my question now is, what, in comparison to your other patients before you found Max and now, of course, we've seen it that it's almost like an impossible case, and the woman actually got her wound healed and all of that. And what other cases have you seen, where this product has assisted? Like you said, does not treat or cure anything. Well, which other cases have you recommended our products to and you've seen remarkable results?
Thank you. The other case I want to cite is that of a close friend of mine. And we happen to belong to the same, association. I, the chairman, he was my secretary. February 2019, again, we were at a meeting and he could not take minutes. He was sitting next to me. Later, we gave a check. He was supposed to sign. He could not sign. His hand was shaking. So I looked at, as a medical practitioner, I looked at him closely. I said, this, my friend, is suffering from stroke. He admitted that somebody has been treating him with food, not even supplements like Max products, food, all these leaves and vegetables and all. So I offered him a pack as a close friend. Take, go and use. And I saw the improvement because his mouth, the tongue was already deviated. He could not talk well. By the time he had used the third one, everything had been corrected, that you would not know he had a stroke in his life. And up to now, he's been well. He's been very well. So it was a miracle, to find that kind of thing. And it was so pleasing because, and that is why every practitioner should endeavor to include Max products in their armament, in their regimen to patients. By the time you are using, and also these days, a patient wants to get out of your clinic on admission fast. In the past, they call it chronic bed occupiers. They will stay in the hospital for months. What are you doing there? But when you have this kind of product, it's where the drugs you are using to work faster, and you can get out of the hospital. Number one, it gives room for other patients to even use the same bed. When we are being trained, people will be abandoned in the world. They will stay there for ages. But with these breakthrough products, if you add them to your regimen, I can assure you, you get faster returns. You get faster results on the patients you are managing. And the patients will appreciate you for it. They will be the one that will be asking you because to be running after it. So I recommend to anybody who is ill, even if you are not ill, you can take it and you see them looking younger. And you notice that even when you give to them, some of them, the first thing they tell you that they are seeing better. You are not treating for eye problem. You are not treating the person for eye problem. When you say I'm seeing better. But Mr. Man, you didn't tell me. I mean, I never knew you. I know you are wearing glasses, but I don't know you had this challenge, this seriously. That you are taking this brand. So there are so many ways. I can talk. The lady I told you about, she had about 600 things. And you can imagine her coming out to say that, look, this product you have given me has taken care of all, because from the record, they said it has helped in 74 health conditions. And it's still counting.
Yes,
there was a case of a
hypertension,
man I put on
diabetes, arthritis.
You know how bad what they call body odor, when somebody comes to you smelling like goat.
Wow.
I place somebody on it for 1 week. By the second week, the smell disappeared. This is no magic.
Dr. Akerele, are you serious?
I'm telling you, 1 week on Cellgevity, the smell disappeared. So I can assure you that it's simple science. And any of us, I mean, a medical doctor is a scientist. I mean, and when you are told about this kind of science, that look, there is something that God has given you in your body. Everybody has it in his own cells. And when the product, the molecule is decreasing, what molecule am I talking about is glutathione.
Yes. When
it's decreasing, illness comes in different forms. But when you take this product to boost your glutathione level, because it's in what you're even taking, ribosine is not glutathione. What you are taking is just a precursor. It's something that will help your body to naturally
produce glutathione.
Naturally. Yes. So it's not because when people are talking, they say, this is a synthetic thing, blah, blah, blah. No. When you take it, it will wake up yourself to start generating this product that everybody's looking after. Looking forward to. So it will improve your glutathione level, and by so doing, it will improve your health. I've been on it, on Cellgevity in particular, though I've used others, Max, ATP, because I play long tennis. I'm close to 70 years. I still play active long tennis. I take part in competition. But when I want to really play,
what did you say?
I take Cellgevity, but when I know I have a competition, I add Max.
Okay, your volume is out. Go ahead and unmute yourself, sir. Okay, good.
So I tell you, the products.
How old are you, sir? I think we missed that. How old are you, sir?
I'm 67, going to 68, January by the.
And you play play long tennis actively up till now. Wow. That is absolutely amazing. If that is not validation for you guys, I don't know what is.
And I'm enjoying my life to the fullest.
Oh, wow. Bless God for that. Now, just quickly before we let you go, what is your final advice to anybody here hearing this opportunity for the first time? What advice do you have to them that would like to partner with this movement, this mission of giving the world cellular health, especially at a pandemic like this, and as an opportunity, as a business? What message do you have as a final message?
The first message is for you as a partner in this business to get hold of the product and use for yourself. And you be a product of a product by yourself. Know that this thing works in your system. If you have any health challenge, even if you don't have, if a member of your family or someone close to you has, introduce this product to them and see the changes in their lives. Once that is established, then you go on and build a team. Go on and build a future through this product.
Wow. Wow.
So
wow. Thank you.
And I also say that if any of us is into the business of health, whether as a nurse or as a doctor, it is high time you are accepted that these products work and you be an ambassador. You must make sure you push it out. I mean, money making is another level entirely, which will be discussed with you. But we are talking of improving people's health and giving them opportunity to live better lives. That's why that's the starting point. By so doing, now you can build the business part of it, which will be explained to you, maybe I think later in this course. But first thing is getting health, because of what is money when you don't have good health. So first thing is to ensure good health and then build on that to make money. Health and wealth.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Wow. wow. Please let us appreciate Dr. Akerele. I mean, that was exceptional. I don't know what else to say. Who can appreciate this man for us? So, Star, we want to thank you so much for your time. We know that you are super busy and you came out here to, come and be with us. We are super, super grateful. We are so thankful. I know we have a lot of people that have questions. Aka, I see your hands up. We'll be taking questions at the end. And Sai, if you can honor us and still be around at the end to take questions, will be. Thank you so much, sir. So, Aka, we are going to take the questions at the end. Just hold on. I see you. You will be the first person to ask, your question. But is that not amazing? Please appreciate Dr. Akerele. Appreciate him. He's very busy. That is highly sought after across the world, and he just came out here to validate what we have, to let you know that you're not wasting your time. If you are not in a place where you can actually, add value to people, look at somebody with over 38 years of clinical experience telling you this is it. This is the science we are talking about. Everybody should be on this product. Everybody should be on this product. Your parents, people that you need to help, give them good health. We are passionate about helping 100 families each time we come on this call. Each time we come on this call, we are sharing this message with 10 people to share with 10. That's 100 people. Can you share this message with 10 people so that they will share with 10? Get back to the person who invited you and they will give you a video that will explain that. Thank you, Dr. Bolaji Akerele, for that fantastic testimonial. Now, remember, I told you guys that we are talking about being a virtual entrepreneur. We've already said that you should have the time, dedicate the time. We've told you that you should have the device that you should use and partner with the right company. And the company we are talking about here is Max International. Our mission is to ensure every single person in the world has great health through developing their own God-given glutathione. And you can see that this product sells itself. Now, how do you get started? I'm sure you're wondering, so how do I become a business partner? How do I make money? How do we make money here? This is how we make money. First of all, we use the product. And when you use the product, you now share with others, okay? And then you earn. A bottle like this, if you need to share it to people, you can make up to 1,000, 2,000, that's in Naira, okay? And you can make that with this product. So if you share it with 10 people, you're already making 10 to 20,000, okay? So we make up to 20,000 every day. So somebody should type it there, 20,000 Naira, okay, 20,000 Naira. If you are here from Cameroon, we'll show you some figures that you take a look at to see the potential of this business. So you can earn every day. We can earn 8 different ways in this company. Fantastic, thank you, Ma. Thank you so much. So every day you can earn up to 20,000 Naira. Every week you can earn up to 50,000 Naira. How? When you have a pack, you heard the doctor say, detoxify yourself with a month. A month is 4 bottles. When you do that, anybody that is getting these products will need a ticket to pick it up in over our 19 countries. So from today, you can have a branch in 19 countries. Is that not amazing? Just without you having a 18-feet container or anything. Anybody that is buying the pack of longevity that has 4 bottles, you get 5,000 Naira. So if you have 10 customers, 50,000, they send the money straight to your account every Wednesday. So somebody type 50,000 Naira every week. You can make up to 50,000 Naira by being a partner with this company. Now, every month, what do we earn every month? Every month, how do we earn? Let me show you the potential of what you can earn, because we want to show you the big box, isn't it? So if you are in this company, this is the potential of your earning. So if you can see my slide, please type a Y. If you can see my slide, please type a Y. So every month in Max, we teach you how you can make income every week. The company pays you every 15th of the month. 15th of the month is when they pay. How do you earn monthly? Thank you so much, Madam Ajibuke and Madam Daramla. Every month, you're supposed to get 6 bottles of longevity that you can share with people, okay? Now, that 6 bottles can go for like 60,000 Naira, can go for 100,000 Naira, but because you're on this call, you won't be paying that much. You'll be paying something very little, and at the end of the day, you're going to have your own website. You're going to have the license to share these products with people across the world, and you're going to have the license to earn this much, okay? So you become a senior associate when you have a partner on the left and right of your business. You can earn up to 64,000 for people just using the product and sharing with others. Is that not amazing? You can become a bronze associate if you want to earn up to 60,000. It's a silver associate if you want to earn up to 480,000. This is how it starts building. And the ticket for you to get here is making a decision. Remember what we said, having the time, using the product, having this on your phone, even talking to people physically, you understand, connecting them to hear this message here, just like Hima invited you, whoever invited you on this call. And then you can start building anywhere in the world. You can see the potential. We have crown diamonds in this business, earning 10 to 12 million naira monthly. When I started this business, I was looking for something that would pay me 50,000 naira. I wasn't dreaming big at all. And when I became Platinum Associate, it blew my mind. That gave me the time to have time freedom. So regardless of whatever income you are seeing here, we are not even income driven. We are people driven. When you help somebody, you earn. So you earn 50,000, 50%, up to 50% matching check of your partner's income. That means if your partners come in and they are earning, Max can pay you up to 50% of whatever your partners are earning. So we are invested in your success before you even start. For the sake of our Cameroonian guests, this is the potential of our Max business. You can earn up to 85,000 CFAs, okay? Or you can build it up to 17 million CFAs. Is that not incredible? So in the opportunity that can earn you this much, what are you waiting for? And you don't have to stop whatever you are doing now. Keep doing what you are doing, but use this opportunity to build something on the side. If it makes sense to you, somebody type residual income. Residual income, that's income when you are sleeping. You are sleeping, Dr. Jules is here talking to your partners. You are sleeping, somebody invited from America is here listening to me talk. You are sleeping, somebody is looking at the recording because we are even going to record this. Thank you, Ngozika. So the potential is huge. So how do you build a business? We said use the product, recommend to others, and you earn commissions. It's as simple as that. And you make sure you are ready to be coachable and trainable. Like we said, we will have 6 bottles of the product. So it's not as if you are paying for any registration. Registration is free. We are saying use the product, become the product of the product. That's what Dr. Akerele said. A starter pack gives you 6 bottles of longevity. People buy it for 100,000, 60,000. We are getting it for just 45,000 naira. And you are a Max associate. Your business has started. You are a virtual entrepreneur. Personal pack can give you, is up to 80,000, they said 120. On this call, you're getting it for 56,000. Get back to who invited you and get the pack that is ideal for you and get started. Professional pack and premier pack gives you more product. And none of these packs are higher than any other person. Pick the pack that you feel is comfortable for you and get started immediately. That's what we're saying in Max. And every month we ensure that your 6 bottles active. Make sure you have customers that are getting those products off you, whether internationally, anywhere in the world, and you still get the ability to earn. And when you come back to buy more products, you pay less. So this is the huge thing about Max. So it's about working smart, staying connected to the team, and earning an income, okay? We cannot learn everything on the call, but what I'm going to leave with you guys right now is if it makes sense to you to become a virtual entrepreneur, dedicate a time, 2 hours a day, 2 hours a day to be able to share this with people. The second thing we said, have data on your phone. Have data on it is very, very vital. The third thing we said, get a company that is credible with a product that solves a general solution. Am I communicating? Then the fourth thing, learn how to make money. We've shown you how you can make money. The fifth thing I'm leaving with you is get started. Get started right away. We cannot wait to embrace you into our community. We have a global community, very supportive. We can't wait to have you on board. Get back to who invited. Tell them you need to give you own website. The moment you get your products, you have your own website where you can share with people. If there's transparency, when people are signing up all over the world because of your business, because you're the one sharing it, you see your industry start growing and you start earning in 8 different ways. So that has been our hangout today. I hope you've gotten value. We'll take your questions now. I want to appreciate our guests once again, Dr. Bolaji Akerele. You were absolutely awesome. So if you are here and you have questions to ask, feel free to unmute yourself. And like I said, get back to who invited you and don't waste time. Get started. Time is the most valuable commodity now. If you're not learning how to multiply your time, I mean, for goodness sake, we even travel the world for free. Once you start this business, we've been doing trainings periodically. The training have transformed my life seriously. One of the things I love about the company is that they invest so much in training us. They invest so much. We have so many leaders that will guide you. And trust me, once you start those trainings, your mindset is going to expand to be able to start this journey. And we cannot wait to start it with you. God bless you. We'll take your questions now. Max, morning.